voices here that say my name out loud. Name out loud. Like the rain in Seattle and the hills in Eugene. I'll find all the things that I heard called me.
A blue hole we kind of mistake with My blue hole. My blue hole.
It's down in that one.
It's in the Gara
Dorrigo.
Gorge, and she didn't even recommend.
Yeah, we don't go.
Maybe let's just skip that. Because even you have to go to the swimming hole.
Yeah,
It sounds like you have to take a bit of walk.
yeah. Yeah, let's come back up and do that at the same time we do the indigenous one that I want to see, your koala at Wires and the Thunderbolts cave at another
So
point.
basically we just skip this Danger's Gorge and the Gara Gorge. So maybe we just drive up to Wollongumbi.
Yeah, I think that would be the first stop. Because if we want to do that, we can do that again the same time we do this next time, because it's close. So I say first stop Wollongumbi. That's what I see.
Okay, first out Wollongumbi and then Cathedral Rock area and then New England National Park.
Yeah. And Ebo.
And then that, what's Ebo? Oh yeah, Ebo, we can't skip Ebo. And then we go to Dorrigo. Then that might even be tomorrow. Depends on the cool place she said we can camp, where that is.
Down here.
Oh, here?
This is the area here for the camping.
Cool.
But we can go to Ebo and come back to that if we
If the
want.
time permits,
That's
right? Or we can just camp here for the rest of the night and then
See Ebo the next
see
day.
Emo tomorrow morning and then Dorrigo.
Yeah.
Cool. I think that's great. And then tomorrow we could even drive down to Billigen. Can
Yeah.
we?
Yeah, but we can even stay at Nambucca Heads.
Chewbacca head.
Chilvaka Heads.
Okay.
You know, or we can do all this. Like, as long as we're back Wednesday night, we can actually even stay in Billigen. If we want to.
That'd be perfect.
And then we can, next day, we can go back through Nambucca because we've got a whole day to get down. That's a 6-hour drive from there to back home.
Yeah, from Coffs Harbour.
From Coffs Harbour to there.
Wow,
So from
pretty
Nambucca,
far.
it's like 5 hours.
Oh, cool. Yeah.
To home, Bobo.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Do you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, so we can sleep there for the
Yeah,
for tomorrow night.
yeah.
I think that's a. Oh, that's a trailer, caravan. So some of the places the caravans can't go. Okay. I'm very pumped.
Well, I might just move for this block here.
Okay. Let me take my camera. We've just done shopping codes. We got heaps of food for tonight. And then we got a lot of useful information. I just got my coffee for the day. So I'm all good to go. We're just gonna have KFC for lunch. Then we'll have a proper camping dinner. It's 1 o'clock already, and then we hope that we could get to the campground by 4 or 5 o'clock, and then set it up and enjoy the night. Okay, now you're in the camp. Why did you? Love how he tilts his head as well. It's not entirely.
You're like the grandmother that wants to give the kid the
Yeah.
and I'm like,
You're
eat
like
your fucking vegetables.
Yeah, you're like the disciplinary parent figure. Is this filming? Oh, it is. Wow. Honestly, I think the Wollongumbi fall is a little bit disappointing. I guess it's due to the dry season. But if you're in a rush, you could skip this. This is the second falls for the day. It's supposed to be really beautiful. However, we have a bit of bad luck. The area was destroyed by the early bushfires this year, and the whole trail is closed for reconstruction. Also, it hasn't been raining for a while, so it is a bit dry at the moment. Speaking of dry waterfalls, the irony is we can see dark storm clouds looming. You can smell the humidity in the air. It is definitely gonna rain over here very soon, so we better get going. Wow. Even like you can see a bit of blue sky. I bet by the time you're in Dorrigo, it's clear again.
Yeah. If that's the case, then we go to the rainforest centre.
Ooh, let's do that.
We go to the Dorrigo Information Centre now.
Yeah, then I get a bit of information over
We
there.
look at all our options and make a plan.
Oh, that sounds so good. I love my dog.
Hey, little girl, is your daddy home? Did he go and leave you all alone again? Got a bad desire. Oh, I'm on fire. Tell me now, baby, is it good to you? Will he do to you the things that I do for you? I'm gonna take you higher. Oh, I'm on fire.
That's really cool. This place is so unbelievably beautiful. Look at this. This is so cool. Ours is a big house, and over there is a bank.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, did you see that? Oh, over there it's a, I don't know, what is it? What did it say? Over there is a office. Okay, let's go. You sure it's listening? Yay. Aww. That is so cute. And we can even pick a bed. We pick the bunk. Look at these. What is these? I cry a lot today. Oh, there's a little spider on my camera. I know. Get away. This is skywalk thing. The skywalk is there. Is the next one. That's the rainforest walk. That's a Wonga walk thing. Yeah, it's a skywalk.
If the stars align, they won't catch me, not this time. He whispers to himself, quiet wishing they'll
This reminds me of Ken's.
someone else.
This does. Out of everything that reminds me of home, this is probably look at those vines. It's so cool. It's like those what's it called? I don't know. Going Jumanji or Kevin Hart with a bag and
Through the alley light, seems he's always looking for us.
Run, little chicken.
And he keeps his jaw clenched tight.
Oh, I'm definitely hearing the fall, baby.
And
I'm
he
so
turns a
excited.
corner. Twice, looking for you. Feels like I'm only looking for you.
I can like make them. I can't even make them photos later. Let's go.
Time to call it quits. Got a taste of his own medicine.
So freaking creepy.
When he's drinking just to sleep, only from a dream he wakes to weep. Dreaming of you. I guess I'm dreaming of
There's she. Look at the view. Okay. Now, going back to the room. Oh, so the rain's like crazy now, and then we're already settled in the cabin, which is really, really good. We're really lucky we finished that crazy walk. And then I'm just gonna settle here for the night. look at the view, enjoy my KFC. I see you tomorrow. Bye. I can't get up. Ta-da! Ew, spider web.